bad shot, but it is a shot. Sekretærfugl, en veldig sjelden fugl å se. Jeg har drømt om å se den veldig lenge. Den er langt unna, men haha. Fikk jeg bilder av den, altså. Wow,
see now, it's catching something now, see?
Yeah.
It's fighting very strongly, shake the bird.
He's catching something, yes.
Yeah. The secretary bird.
Bird?
Yes, yeah.
They don't seem interested in that.
No.
You know nothing about the bush. If you're not interested in that bird,
You don't know the guys.
maybe you've seen it before. I don't know.
It's coming more left side now.
Wow.
That
I've
is
seen
something
those
special.
animals many times, but wow. I like it every time.
Look at that. Yes.
I don't see anything anymore.
I see.
Yeah, I just see some bush.
So